Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start the Science Olympiad test paper for class 4 year 2019 set B. Question number 1. The codes for some letters are given below. Find the code for reason. REASON. For every letter a code is given. So answer is option A. Question number 2. Which of the given figures has a line of symmetry? These figures are given. If we draw a line in between them, we can divide in two equal parts each picture. Each figure can be divided in two equal parts. So both figures have a line of symmetry. So our answer is option C, both P and Q. Question number 3. Which of the following strawberries is fourth to the right of ninth strawberry from the right end in the given arrangement? Here left hand is given here. So this is right hand is here. Now the question said ninth strawberry from the right end. And ninth strawberry is, if we count from Z, so ninth strawberry is R. And next part of the question it said fourth to the right of ninth strawberry. That means fourth to the right of R. That means S, T, U and V. V is the fourth. So our answer is option B. Question number 4. Find the missing number in the number series given below. This number series is given 5, 10, 20, 40, then question mark and then 160. If we look at the numbers carefully, we can find that each number, the next number is double of the previous number. That means 10 is double of 5, that is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Then 20 is double of 10. Then 40 is double of 20. So next number will be double of 40. Double of 40 is 80. That means the question mark will give us 80. Double of 80 is 160. That means our answer is correct. So our answer is option D, 80. Question number 5. Select a figure from the options which will complete the given figure pattern. And answer is option B. Science. Question number 6. Which of the following statements regarding eating habits of bird is correct? Option A. Kite is omnivore. B. Vulture is herbivore. C. Crow is an omnivore. D. Eagle is an omnivore. Kite is a carnivore animal, so option A is incorrect. Vulture is also an omnivore. Option B is incorrect. Crow is an omnivore, so answer is option C because it is correct. Eagle is an carnivore, so this option D is incorrect. Question number 7. Unscramble the following options and select the one that gives term used for ball-like hole found on the surface of Earth's natural satellite. If we unscramble these words, we can get for A. poles, B. orbit, C. crater and D. axis. And our answer is option C, crater, because crater is ball-like hole found on moon, that is Earth's natural satellite. Question number 8. Nidhi drew a balanced diet pyramid as shown in the figure but made some mistakes. Select the correct option regarding it. Here, number 1, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dry beans and dairy product, that is protein. Second, fats, oil, salt and sweets. 3, fruits and vegetables. 4, grains and cereals. Option A, food items in block 1 should be replaced by food item in block 4. This is incorrect statement, so option A is incorrect. Option B, food items in block 2 and 3 should be interchanged. This option is also incorrect. Option C, food items in block 1 and 2 should be interchanged. Yes, in block we should eat less fat than protein. So answer is option C. This option is correct. Question number 9. Refer to the given figure. Which of the following can P be? Option A, oxygen. B, water vapor. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, both A and B. P can be oxygen or water vapor, both. So answer is option D. Question number 10. Ronita lives in Delhi. Her house is in a building where many other families live on different floors. Petri lives in a village. Her house is small and is made up of bamboo, mud, etc. Select the correct option regarding this passage. Option A, Ronita lives in a bungalow. B, Maitri lives in a tent. Option C, Ronita lives in an apartment. D, Maitri lives in a caravan. And right answer is option C, Ronita lives in an apartment because in apartment many families live on different floors while Maitri lives in a kacha house that is made up of bamboo and mud etc. Question number 11. Fiber X is obtained from the fruit of a plant while fiber Y is obtained from an animal. Fibers X and Y are respectively option A, cotton, wool, B, rayon, silk, C, flax, silk, D, coir, linen. Option A, cotton we get from the fruit of a plant and wool we get from an animal. So our answer is option A, wool we get from sheep. Option B, rayon we get from rayon is a man-made fiber while silk we get from silkworm. So option B is incorrect. Option C, flax we get from flax stem. The fiber flax we get from the flax plant stem. So option C is incorrect. Same in option D, coir and linen we get from different parts of the plant. Option D is incorrect. Option A, cotton and wool is the right answer. Question number 12. Match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1. Dry clothes can make you sick. Tight clothes make you feel uncomfortable. Warm clothes protect you from cold. Cotton clothes makes you feel cool. Waterproof clothes protect you from rain. So A2, A2 and B1. In option C, we get A2, B1, C4, D5 and E3. So our answer is option C. Question number 13. Select the option which on unscrambling gave the name of cooking method by which biscuits are made? We make biscuit by baking. That is answer option D, because we can get baking from option D only. Question number 14. Ravi needs a material which does not melt easily to make a see-through container. He should use dash. Option A wood, B metal, C plastic, D glass. He cannot see through from wood and metal. Plastic can melt very easily. So answer is option D, glass. Question number 15. Refer to the given conversation among three friends. Kavish said, the window of my room should have material P that allows sunlight to pass through. Mohan said, I need a cap made up of Q to protect my head from rain. Ishita said, I need a box made up of R to protect my glass toy kept inside it from breaking. Now select the correct option regarding P, Q and R. P can be wood, but wood cannot allow sunlight to pass through. So option A is incorrect. Option B, Q can be cotton. Mohan said, I need a cap made up of Q, but cotton cannot protect from rain. So option option B is incorrect. R can be thermocol. Ishita needs a box made up of R to protect her glass toy kept inside. Yes, R can be thermocol because it can protect glass toy to break. So answer is option C. Question number 16. Christmas is celebrated during which season in India? P, and in Australia Q. In India, Christmas is celebrated in December, that is a winter season in India. That is P is winter. And when in India winter season, in Australia there will be summer season. So answer is for P is winter and Q is summer. That is option A. Question number 17. Select the correct match. Adaptation and animals. Option A, mimicry, hawk moth caterpillar. Option B, estivation, polar bear. Option C, blubber, cow. Option D, blowhole, fish. And answer is option A, mimicry, hawk moth caterpillar. In option B, polar bear goes under hibernation, not estivation. So option B is incorrect. In option C, cow does not have blubber. Blubber is the fat under the skin of animals such as whale, shark, etc. And fish does not have blowhole. Blowholes are the nostrils like whale fish have. So option A is correct answer. Question number 18. Refer to the given word grid and select the option which cannot be found in it. Option A, fastest mean of written communication. Option B, audio means of communication. Option C, vehicle used for carrying sick people to hospital. Option D, vehicle used by naval forces under the sea. Fastest means of written communication is email, which we can find here. Audio means of communication is radio, which is written here. Vehicle used by naval forces under the sea is submarine, and we can find submarine here. Vehicle used for carrying sick people to hospital is ambulance, which is not present in this grid. So answer is option C. Question number 19. Which of the following is a correct statement? Option A. Woodpecker makes its nest by scraping piles of mud. Option B. Weaver birds makes its nest by sieving leaves with material like wool, thread, hair, etc. Option C. Penguin makes its nest on the ground with pebbles and stone. Option D. All of these. And answer is option C. Penguin makes its nest on the ground with pebbles and stones. Woodpeckers make its nest in the hole of a tree. And weaver birds makes its nest by weaving tree leaves by threads. So answer is option C. Question number 20. Purvi shone a torch on two objects to cast their shadow on the screen as shown here. Which of the following correctly shows the shape of the shadow? This is torch, here is a ball, and this is small cube in front of ball. So the answer is option B. Question number 21. Refer to the given picture of a plant with some of its parts labeled as P, Q and R. In the absence of part dash, the plant cannot reproduce, whereas in absence of part dash, the plant cannot make food. Select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the above given statement. Here, part Q is flowers, part P are leaves, and part R is roots. So, in absence of flowers, the plant cannot reproduce. And in absence of part of leaves, the plant cannot make food. So, our answer is Q and P, that is option A. Question number 22. Rajiv saw a bird swimming in water. Which kind of foot could the bird have? The birds who can swim have web feet. So our answer is option A, because there is web in between its toes. Question number 23. People wearing this type of dress belong to which profession? Option A, waiter. Option B, postman. Option C, lawyer. Option D, chef. And answer is option C, lawyer. Question number 24. Zara observed the new moon on 18th August. Select the option which correctly shows the phase of the moon that Zara will observe on 31st August and 7th September. If on 18th August it's new moon, that means after 13 days it will be full moon, and after 7 days of full moon it will be waning gibbous. So our answer is option D. Question number 25. Zan observed two animals P and Q in his locality and tabulated their characteristics as shown here. Select the option which correctly identifies these animals. Characteristic: animal P, animal Q. Give birth to young ones. Animal P yes, animal Q no. Has 4 stages in life cycle. Animal P no, animal Q yes. Young one resembles the adult. Animal P yes, animal Q no. Has wings. Yes for both animals. If we see the answers, we can say that option A and D can't be our answer because frog and dolphin does not have wings. Koala bear also do not have wings. So option B and D can be our answer. But grasshopper does not have 4 stages in life cycle. So our answer is option D. Question number 26. Study the given Venn diagram and identify X. X traps insects and makes its own food. Option A fern, B dodder, C hydrilla, D pitcher plant. And our answer is option D pitcher plant. Question number 27. Study the items listed in given table. Which of the following options correctly identifies X and Y? In group 1, plastic mug, steel container, X, glass jar. In group 2, cotton, handkerchief, paper envelope, Y, and wooden chair. In group 1, all objects are made from non-living things. And in group 2, all objects are made from the things which are once lived, once living. So, for X, metal can, and for Y, banana peel satisfy this condition. So, answer is option C. Question number 28. Pallavi wants to find out whether the length of a ramp affects the force needed to move a wooden block up the ramp. She sets up the given experiment. What should she keep the same? Option A, the height of both the ramps. Option B, the length of both the ramps. Option C, the weight of spring balance. Option D, both A and B. And the right answer is option A, the height of both the ramps. Question number 29. Which of the following process do not consume heat? 1. Condensation, 2. Evaporation, 3. Freezing, 4. Melting, 5. Boiling. Condensation and evaporation do not consume heat. So our answer is option B, 1 and 3 only. Question number 30. Select the organ that does not belong to that organ system to which the other 3 organs belong. Option A, heart, B, brain, C, blood vessel, D, blood. Here, heart, blood vessel and blood are part of circulatory system, while B, brain, is a part of nervous system. So answer is option B. Question number 31. The given graph shows the changes in the number of fish in a water body over a year. Select the correct option regarding this. Option A. At time W, some factory was established near the water body that discharged its used water in it. In this graph, this is time and here is number of fishes. So at time W, the number of fishes is here and then it start decreasing. That means statement A is true. Option B. At time Y, large amount of oil was accidentally spilled into the water body. But at time Y, the number of fishes start increasing again. That means this statement is incorrect. At time Z, large amount of domestic sewage and garbage was thrown into the water body. At time Z, the number of fishes are very low. That means option C is correct. So our statement A and C are correct. So our answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 32. Manav gently pushed down a toy car from top of a racing track, as shown in the diagram. The arrow shows the direction of movement of the car. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Statement 1. The car has the most gravitational potential energy at P. Yes, this statement is correct. Statement 2. The car has the most kinetic energy at P. This statement is incorrect. Statement 3. The car used up all its energy at U. This statement is also incorrect. Statement 4. The car has the least kinetic energy at R. This statement is also incorrect. Statement 5. The car has the most kinetic energy at U. This statement is correct. So our answer is option C, 2, 3 and 4 because we have to find only incorrect statements. Question number 33. Which of the labeled areas in the Venn diagram represent the stomach and the large intestine respectively? Here, organ P, organ where food is mixed with acid to kill the germs. An organ for digesting food, that is P. So P is stomach. Organ for absorbing water, that is Q. So Q is large intestine. So our answer is option D, P and Q. Question number 34. Refer to the given food web and select the incorrect option regarding it. Option A. W is the only producer while U is the only top consumer in the given food web. Here V, U, Z, X all feeds on W. That means W is a producer and W is not eating any others. So W is only producer while U feeds on V, on Z, T, so and W. So U is the top consumer. So this option is correct. X is an omnivorous. Where is X? X feeds on W and X feeds on Y and Z. So that means X is eating W, that is a plant, and animals also. So X is omnivore, whereas Y and Z, Y and T does not eat W, that is plant. So they are eating only animals. That means Y and T are carnivorous in this food chain. This is also correct. Statement 3. There are 5 interconnected food chains in the food web. This option is incorrect because there are not 5 interconnected food chains. Only 3 are there. V and Z are the only herbivorous. V feeds on W and Z feeds on W only. They are not feeds on any others. So V and Z are herbivorous. So our answer is option C because we have to find incorrect statement. Question number 35. Refer to the given flowchart and select the option that correctly identifies the plant P, Q, R and S. Here plants, flowering and non-flowering plants, aquatic, non-aquatic. Here non-flowering aquatic is P, non-aquatic, non-flowering is Q. Aquatic flowering plant is R and non-aquatic flowering plant is S. Let's check for options. Option A, R is bryophyllum, S is sundew. And here R is an aquatic plant. But bryophyllum is not an aquatic plant, so this option is incorrect. In option B, S is Gulmohar. Here, S is non-aquatic flowering plant. This option is correct for S. Let's check for Q. Q is non-aquatic, non-flowering plant. So, and fir is also non-aquatic, non-flowering plant. That means our answer is option B. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.